Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into TJX Payroll account. So if you also want to log into TJX Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in associates.tjx.com/login. Press enter. Now you can see over here you will be led to the login interface of TJX. From here you will be able to log into TJX payroll account. All you have to do is enter your first name and last four digits of your AIN. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now enter the last four digits of your AIN. If you need assistance, you can call TJX service desk. Now you'll have to check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the submit option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to log into TJX payroll account. So that is how you log into TJX payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.